In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to create a split screen effect in CapCut on your computer. It's a great way to display two videos or images side by side. First, open CapCut for PC and import the clips or images you want to use. Drag your first clip onto the main timeline. Then take the second clip and drag it above the first one. This will place it as an overlay. Now select the top video and go to the right-hand panel. Under the video section, click on Basic and reduce the opacity a bit. This helps you better align the videos while adjusting their positions. Next, reposition each video clip. For example, you can move one to the left side and the other to the right side of the screen by clicking and dragging them directly in the preview window. Once they're placed where you want them, return to the top layer, bring the opacity back to 100%, and make sure it's still selected. Now scroll down in the Basic section and click on Mask, then select Split. You'll see a vertical line appear in the preview. You can rotate this line using the circular arrow icon and drag it left or right to fine-tune the split. Adjust the line until you're happy with how both videos appear, and that's it, your split screen effect is ready. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more CapCut PC editing tips.